Okay, so good day again. So let's try to solve problem involving geometric series. Okay, so meron naman tayong formula na nagawa kanina. So sundan lang natin yung formula. So in example number 1, it state that find the sum of the first 5 terms of ang series niya is 2 plus 6 plus 18 plus next term, fourth term, and five term. Kasi hinanap natin yung sum ng limang term. So, even though hindi given yung fourth term at saka five term, kaya naman natin yan masolve using the formula dun sa taas. Okay. So, first, number 1, let's write the given. So, what is the given in number 1? So, first term, of course, alam natin, the first term is 2. And our common ratio. So, paano ba nakukuha yung common ratio given the sequence? So, we have to divide yung second term dun sa first term, 6 divide 2. That is 3. Or, yung third term sa second term, 18 divide 6 is also 3. So, the common ratio is 3. So, our R is equal to 3. And our N, yung number ng terms na i-add natin, which is, in this case, number 1, 5. Okay? So, using the formula, S sub n is equal to A sub 1 times the quantity of 1 minus R raised to n over 1 minus R. Okay? So, let's replace the value of n. So, S sub 5, kasi limang terms yung i-add natin, is equal to, our A sub 1 is 2, so that is 2, times the quantity of 1, minus, our R, or common ratio, is 3. We have 3 raised to, our N is 5. Okay? So, over 1 minus R, or R rather, is 3. Okay? So, S sub 5 is equal to, so using the PEMDAS rules, kailangan nating masagutan muna yung nasa loob ng parenthesis dito sa term na to, nasa numerator. Okay? So, ano ba yung nasa loob ng parenthesis? Yung 1 minus 3 raised to 5. So, unahin natin yung exponent, yung may exponent. So, 1 minus 3 raised to 5, it means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So, tandaan natin yung exponent, siya yung nagsasabi kung ilang base yung i-multiply. So, ibig sabihin, may limang 3 na i-multiply. So, 3 times 3 is 9, times 3, 27, times 3, 81, and times 3, 243. So, meron tayong 243. Over, so pwede naman na natin itong i-subtract, 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Okay? So, S sub 5 is equal to, so actually, pwede na natin itong i-cancel kasi divisible naman, no? 2 divide 2 is 1. So, meron tayong 1 minus 243 is negative 242 over negative 1. Kasi pag na-cancel yun, of course, hindi yan 0, no? That is equal to 1. So, we have negative 1. So, S sub 5 is equal to, negative divide negative is positive. 242 divide 1 is 242. So, ang ating sagot ay 242. Ayan yung sum ng limang number. So, kahit try nyo, no? So, try nyo i-mano-mano. Siyempre, ginagamit natin yung formula kapag mahaba na yung maraming terms yung hinahanap. Okay? So, kung mano-mano yan, that is 2 plus 6 plus 18 plus 3, 18 times 3 is 54. 54 plus 54 times 3, 150, 12, 162. Okay? So, kung mamano-manuhin nyo yan, 242 yung sagot dyan. Okay? So, that is 240. So, try nyo sagutan yung number 2, pero sasagutan natin yan mamaya sa isa pang video. Number 3 and number 4, pwede nyo rin sagutan.